All right, so we've got a really interesting one today, a whole pile of articles and research on, well, this new thing in gaming.
Yeah, this is something.
Definitely seems like a big deal. We're going to dive deep into Bloom, this gaming platform
Right.
that's jumping headfirst into cryptocurrency.
Cryptocurrency. Yeah. So Bloom is doing something pretty different.
Yeah, lay it on us.
Well, you know how a lot of games have their own like in-game currency?
Yep, totally.
This is not that. Bloom's going all in on a cryptocurrency token. Dodgy S is what they're calling it.
Gaugy, yes. That's catchy. I mean, is this, like, are players going to be striking it rich? Is that what we're talking about here? What does it even mean for a player to earn a cryptocurrency token?
Okay, so a token. Think of it like a reward, right?
Yep.
But on Bloom specifically, you do stuff, you get Dodgy S.
Do stuff. Okay, so what kind of stuff?
Well, they mention logging in every day,
Makes sense.
completing in-game tasks.
Ah, so the more you play.
Exactly. Oh, and there's this TON Open League thing.
Tate Doe Open League. Interesting. And then there's this phrase that kept popping up in the articles.
Oh, yeah, I saw that too.
On-chain activity. Sounds kind of sci-fi.
But a little bit. So on-chain, it's all about the blockchain. Imagine this big public record. Everything you do on Blum gets recorded there. Can't be messed with, totally transparent.
So like a permanent record of every quest I complete, every monster I slay.
Pretty much. But here's the thing. It connects your gaming to the wider crypto world. Potentially, that means real-world value.
Whoa, okay. So play more, earn more Doge-S, and maybe down the line, those Doge-S are worth something outside of the game.
That's the idea.
Wild. But
Mhm.
it's good for players. I mean, sure, rewards are nice, but
Right. There's always another side to things. See, I think it really taps into that thing we all have, wanting rewards,
yeah,
recognition.
makes sense.
But what if it's too much? What if players feel like they have to grind? Not for fun, but for those Doge-S.
Yeah, it's almost like making gaming a job in a way.
Exactly. And that brings up a whole other thing. What about the gaming industry? What if this takes off?
Oh man, I didn't even think of that.
Right? Bloom could start a trend here. Imagine all these games with crypto tied in. Your achievements, your items, suddenly they're worth real money.
That is mind-blowing, honestly.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's recap here. Bloom, they're doing this whole cryptocurrency thing. It could mean more engaged players, crazy new rewards, even like blurring the lines between games and the real world.
Yeah, that's huge. But there are definitely questions. Is it ethical? What are the downsides? And is this really the future of gaming?
So much to think about. This Blum thing, it's a big gamble, but it could change everything.
Absolutely. It's early days, but keep an eye on this one. I have a feeling this isn't the last we'll be talking about crypto and gaming.
Nope, I don't think so either. All right, folks, there you have it. A deep dive into Bloom, Dog.ES, and the whole wild world of crypto gaming. Until next time.